Assalamu alaikum. In this video, how to arch an image in Photoshop. Let's begin. I have an image with background. Use any image or photo, okay, or any type. Press Ctrl T on your keyboard and right click on your mouse. Click or again right click on your mouse. Distort and click this warp and cross it. Then again press Ctrl T on your keyboard, click the icon and see this custom, click drop down menu. Now find this arcs, click here. Now we can see this arcs up and down. Click OK. Press Ctrl T on your keyboard, hold shift, click and drag it. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.